So, good day guys. So, today we're gonna show you kung paano tayo mag-apply ng ating online application for CHED scholarship. So, just go to the link na nasa description pa natin below. So, you could just click it. So, this is a special case, lalong-lalo na ngayon we're in quarantine because of the COVID-19. So, this is very updated. So, last update natin is March 27. So, ngayon po yun. Updated po siya. And take note that the application period is from March 1 to May 31 only. So, medyo matagal pa naman, but the sooner the better, ika nga. So, this is the eligibility requirements. You must be Filipino citizen. You have a grade higher than 90%. And your parents' annual income must not be higher than 400,000. So, dito po siya. So, for the documents, ito yung mga pinaka-importante and medyo mahirap siyang kunin yung sa mga iba natin. So, for first thing first, we need to have a birth certificate. So, scanned file ng birth certificate natin. And for the academic requirement, we need to have our grade 11 cards. So, complete po siya for first to fourth grading and first semester, at least first semester ng ating grade 12 card. So, this is for the graduating students. Kung grade 12 ka ngayon, ito yung mga kailangan mong files. Pero kung grade 12 ka na from the previous years or graduate ka from the previous years from 2018 to 2017, you need to have a high school report card na nagsasabing eligible ka for college. So, for financial naman, na that would show the financial capabilities ng iyong family. So, this could be the proof para ma-evaluate ng mga taga-CHED. So, you need to have ITR, so tax exemption from the BIRs and so forth. So, dito naman siya. And for number 4, this is a special case for the special group. So, if you're a PWD, dependent on a solo parent and so forth, you need to submit certifications and ID na nagsasabing belong ka to that special group. So, how could you apply online? So first, determine your high school or your senior high school kung saan region siya. And number 2, click the link in the description. Nandito siya. So per region siya for region 1, region 2, region 3, and so forth. And follow the regional instructions. So I'm from the region 1, so let's try CHEDRO 1. So as you can see here, meron tayong pop-up na lumabas. Says here na you must have the printed application form and the requirements that should be sent to the link that is shown here, and it says here that this is a precautionary measure due to the COVID-19. So they're taking action too for our own safety then. And take note also guys na for different regions, meron tayong different interface na nakalagay. So this is for region 2, iba siya, iba itsura niya sa region 1, but it's all the same din naman. So, this is for region 3. So, balik tayo dito sa region 1. So, first, accomplish the online application form. So, dito po siya sa baba. So, pag na-accomplish po natin siya, meron tayong file na makukuha or somewhat sinesend siya sa Gmail natin or kung anong email man nilagay natin doon. So, ito po yung sa atin. So, ito po yung sa atin. So, kailangan po natin siyang i-print. And then, kailangan natin i-fill yung ID picture natin sa taas and a signature sa baba. So, as you can see here, So, as you can see, kompleto naman na siya. And pagkatapos nun, kailangan mo siyang i-scan ulit. And kung meron ka namang camera na malinaw-linaw, you could just take a picture. Basta it should be readable. So, back to the website. And after that, you could just upload the requirements in this link. So, let's just follow the step by step here by region 1. So, you should put your name here. It's all required. Nandito, application number, which is andun sa taas ng PDF na na-download natin kanina. The contact number, the email, and your Facebook URL. So, after that, kung nailagay na natin lahat, you could upload the file. So, tingnan natin dito. So, ito yung application natin. Let's just put it there. The birth certificate. So, as you can see, kompleto naman na tayo. No problem at all. So, scan grades, then this scan ITR. And as you can see, pwede din tayo maglagay ng ating message na we could send it to the regional office. So, bahala ka na kung anong gusto mong ilagay dyan. So, actually, I already done this before. And after a few days, mga 3 days or 2 days, they would send an email of confirmation. So, nandito po siya, let's just see. So, as you can see, they already received my application. And I just need also to wait for the confirmation of my evaluation. So that's all. So everyone, good luck sa ating lahat na we could have this application for the scholarship, because this could be a big help for our college life and for our future. So that's all. Like, comment, and subscribe.